Yes, guys, I would like to share an experience with you, and this concerns a client of mine. Have a little talk. There's something called criticism, and there's something called constructive criticism. I'm just sharing my experience though. Now, clients, it's good you know how to give reviews when you're working with a designer. There are certain words and terms you don't use when you're working with a designer, because this comes from a place of a place of depth. We create design with so much feeling. Like I myself, right, when I do my designs, I put myself I feel my design. So when I'm coming to you for review, you don't just come at me, I'm like, oh, why did you do it like this? I had an experience with the client, and I sent the job to the client. And then the client was like, is this all you could come up with? And mind you, this was the client who had no idea what they were doing. They had no idea what they wanted. All questions were asked, and they couldn't even give me anything proper to work with. So I developed something very simple, less is more kind of style. Simpler the better for me. I sent to the client. Client was like, oh, this is what you got. I can do better on Canva. I was like, okay, that sounds really insulting and debasing. And then the word just is something you guys should try and avoid. Really avoid it with a creative. Don't say that word. The minute you mention that word, is just, or is it not just, or can you just? Believe me, anything you say from then on is not going inside here. We're not hearing anything. We're just looking at you like, even though use the word though, but you see the picture.
No! God, please, no!
And then anything you say from then on doesn't concern us. It's not our business. You already use the word that sounds very debasing and undermining our efforts. And that is unacceptable. Really. I've turned down the future for just that word alone, for using that word just. It pisses. I want to say it pisses me off, but a lot of creatives know that is a word it's not very good.
Stop it.
Use it. Trust me. It doesn't end well. And then decide from then on, you're your own. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. These clients, try to address things more constructively and give your reviews in a way that makes sense. You don't just come out and drop words that you feel are just normal. They're not.